how to remove your phone number on Facebook now if you're on Facebook and you want to remove the phone number associated with your account. You can always do so. You can always change it to a different one or just completely remove and delete it. I'll show you how to do that. Let's open up Facebook here and tap on your menu at the bottom right now. Let's tap on the gear icon at the top right here. And at the very top, let's choose Account Center now. You can see under Account Settings is Personal Details. Let's choose that. And you can see at the very top is Contact Info, including your phone number if you have one already. So you can tap on that. And if you wanted to delete that phone number, just tap on the number and you can see it's associated with both Facebook and Instagram. I can tap Delete Number. There is a caveat to this. It does say deleting this will disable your two-factor authentication. And if you have that two-factor authentication, you might want to basically just add a new number so that you can move it over to a different phone number now. If you don't necessarily care and you don't necessarily want a phone number on here, what you have to do first is to go in and remove or deactivate two-factor authentication, and then you can delete this phone number. So you just tap delete, but let's go back again. And security now here at the top is two-factor authentication. And basically what you're going to do is go into Facebook in here, enter in your password, and turn this off first, because ultimately that needs to be disabled if you don't want any phone number on there. So entering your password, disable it, and then you can go back into where you had that phone number and hit the delete button, and you can fully remove that phone number from your Facebook account.